Good day everyone. I'm Chelsea Laikalabog, BSIT2B BPO. In this video presentation, I will show you how to install OS using VirtualBox. To begin with, I'm going to open the VirtualBox. I'm going to create a new OS, so click the New button and rename the VirtualBox. Select the type of OS you were going to read. Click Next, then manipulate the hardware setting to minimal scale. Then click Next until you can see the summary. Go to Setting and proceed and adjust the processor. Also adjust the display and storage settings. Then click the button. Proceed to Start button at the main menu. The VirtualBox will begin to initialize. The installation section will appear. Click Install. You may select the type of keyboard you want and the language you prefer, then click Continue. Select Install third-party software, then click Continue and install now. Select the time zone and fill up the information. Then wait the installation finish after the installation. You may navigate the new operating system to create. You created when installation is complete. You may click the Restart Now and wait the operating system to load. You may now explore the new operating system after it's successfully installed and loaded.